Hey guys, welcome back to Turn Understanding. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, what we are going to talk about is how to make your face look smaller. Now with age, okay, my baby is here and he's smiling looking at me. So with age, our face usually tends to grow in size, also in length and breadth, and it looks saggy. And due to excess of fluid retention like water and other fluids, it leads to cause bloating of the face and sagginess in the face. So here are some of the simple tricks and techniques that we need to follow to make our face look smaller. Now, very important to take measures for this right from the early age or early time to prevent excess of sagging and excess of fluid retention. So the very first thing that we need to do is to use our knuckles. Now for the fat in the cheeks, we'll be using our knuckles, and all we have to do is to take this up. So we all have the cheekbones here, and we need to take the fat from here to here. And you need to press it. You need to apply a little pressure on it so that you are taking your cheeks up. Make sure that you are not taking it downwards. We don't want our face to sag more. We want it to look perfect and to give it a good structure. And so for that, it's important to take it upside. So this is a simple technique. You can do it anytime, anywhere. The second simple thing to follow is to not do like this. So if you're doing it more like this, like your lips like this, what it does, it increases the space in between this area. And with age anyways, this area is going to increase. So we have to make sure that we are not doing a lot like this, because it causes our skin to stretch and we need to prevent it from falling, from sagging. The third technique is to suck everything, as in to do like this. So try to do it every day for around 2 minutes. So what it does, it will take all the excess of skin inside and will cause some stretch here, which will help you to reduce the fat. So this is like an exercise for your cheeks to reduce the fat. You might have seen Anushka Sharma doing this a lot. Now the fourth technique is to make a crooked face actually. But make sure that you are not making it just in one direction, you're making it in both the directions. How we are going to do it is all to the right and then all to the left. Again, it causes a lot of stretch, which is good. So we'll do it once again. Everything to the left and then everything to the right. So it will give you a little pressure at the side, which is good. That is what we need. And if you are feeling some pressure here, it means you're doing it correct. And the next technique to follow is it is same like the previous one, but it's just that you will need your tongue also. So it's like so this causes more stretch than the previous one. I know it's funny, but it's really good for the face. So this is like my favorite one. It's quite easy to do, and of course a lot of Bollywood actors do this. And in the next video, I'm going to share with you guys what is lymph node drainage. Mainly it is because of the excess of accumulation of fluids and water within our face, and this also leads to make our face this also makes our face a little like bloated, makes our face look bigger overall. So in the next video, I'll be sharing with you guys how we can deal with lymphatic node drainage. So make sure you have subscribed to the channel and comment down below how you like this video, and keep following this technique to make your face look smaller. So take care guys. Thank you. Bye bye.